natin kala Inigo, tinanong natin siya kung may pressure ba maging anak ng ultimate heartthrob na si Papa P. So ngayon, sasagutin na ni Inigo.
Siyempre naman po nandun po yung pressure palagi since I'm his son. Pero I want to be able to show like my own talents as well, my own style. But I'm proud to be his son, and it's inevitable. It's always gonna be there since I'm his son po. Yeah.
Pangarap mo rin ba na maabot yung accomplishments na nagawa ng dad mo?
Hopefully po, yun, that's like, I feel like ang dami pong young actors na yun po yung dream. So hopefully po, someday ma-reach ko rin po yun.
Growing up, ikaw, syempre, hindi maiwasan na makarinig ka ng intriga about your dad or even about you and your family. Anong naging reaction mo pag ganun? Or paano mo hinahandle?
Nung bata po ako, I used to get bullied. Yun nga po, sinasabi ko po sa ibang interview, I used to get bullied. Pero through the years naman po, I learned how to kind of cope with it, kind of learn how to just deal with it kasi it's part of our life. Since ito po yung life that we chose, you know, this business really has that. It's part of it, man po. I kind of use it. Yung sabi ko po kanina, as a motivation instead of letting it push me down. Yun po.
Most recently, may lumabas na balita sa in-air sa isang TV special about yung DNA test before between you and your dad. How did you find that? Did you saw that episode? Did you see that episode?
Hindi ko po nakita, pero I heard about it. My friends asked me about it. Akala ng mga friends ko recent yun. So it made me laugh. Parang sabi ko, parang ang tagal na po yun nung bata pa po ako. So it was never a big deal. Na it wasn't something that I freaked out about, something I felt bad about naman po.
And he was would you say na he's a hands-on dad even though long distance through the years?
Opo, very hands-on. He's always calling me. He always tries to be there whenever he can. And I understand since he's busy naman po, he's PLO.
Yeah.
So it's
so
really
through
hard.
the years, wala namang emptiness na parang hindi mo na feel na walang father figure.
Not at all.
That's nice. Kasi di ba, syempre may previous relationships yung dad mo and all. Meron ka bang say doon? Like, do you approve or does he ask for your opinion?
As for my opinion, I just told him I want for me, I'd rather have him. I'd rather want him to be with someone non-showbiz. Para siguro mas private yung life niya. I mean, that's what he wants naman. Pero we have a deal yung 18 po until I'm 18 po. Kasi I want to be able to maximize my time with him. Kasi growing up po, I grew up in the States, half of my life. So parang I feel like I still want to spend more time with him. Yun po.
May inayawan ka ba? Sa mga naging ka-relasyon before yun?
Ano ba?
Inayawan. Like
Inayawan.
any
Disapprove or...
Me po? Wala naman po akong choice din. It's his life, it's his choice po. Yun po.
Pero now, mention mo na mag-18 ka. Parang siya ba? Meron siyang say with the girls you want or you'll date in the future?
Opo. Actually, no. We actually don't really talk about that right now. Pero sabi niya na just take things slow right now. I mean, it's not something that we should rush. It's not something that I should really focus on right now, if that makes sense.
In fairness, it shows na parang you're very used to handling yung mga issues talaga.
Naano niya na sa kanya na ganun talaga.
Ito si Sofia, kahit na baguhan din, no? Meron din siyang, she has her fair share of yung mga bashers sa internet because of yung Katniel.
Yeah.
Paano mo hinandle? Siyempre, nababasa kayo for sure sa
Hindi na siya binabasa.
Instagram.
Yung Twitter.
Talaga?
Ano
Okay.
naman yung paraan dun eh. Kasi the more na binabasa mo, the more kung sasaktan, diba? Pero natanggap mo rin siya as long as kaya naman yung sarili mo.
Ano sa tingin mo yung pinakamatindi na parang mga sinabi nila sa'yo?
Kasi nag-assume sila na may kissing scene kami ni Daniel. So parang sabi nila, hindi mo kailangan sumigat para may mag-kissing scene ka lang. Sabi ko, parang alam nila agad yung
story
Pero
sila.
wala pa talaga. Sabi ko, okay.
So ready ka na sa mga ganun intriga no?
Dapat lang talaga. Kasi that's life in showbiz.
Since you audition, di ba sabi mo, for Star Magic and all, parang gaano ba kahirap yung bumuo ng, or gumawa ng pangalan dito sa industry? Sa dami ng kakompetensya nyo.
Sobrang hirap talaga, I swear. Akala ko nung nakapasok ako, okay na, can do everything. Pero hindi. Ang dami talagang mga artista na sa ABS na kailangan iba ka, gagawa ka ng sarili mong pangalan. Mahirap. Kasi syempre, hindi naman ikaw, lahat maganda talaga eh. Yung talent yung hinahanap nila. Kaya, I'm trying to do my best here.
So kapag ikaw, you're waiting for a project before yung Relax and yung Forevermore, no? Meron bang feeling na kinakabahan ka or nahihirapan ka na, shocks, baka wala akong makuha project, gano'n, may gano'n ba?
Opo, may times na ganun, pero hindi ako nawalan ng hope kasi alam ko na meron at meron.
You really wanted to go to showbiz?
Yes.
Since when?
Kasi nag-start ako mag-commercial, so parang nagustuhan ko yung ginagawa ko. Then yun, tinuloy-tuloy ko na siya.
As early as what age?
6 years old, pero I started at 3.
Wow, that's early.
And then, naging active ka lang when you joined Star Magic? Okay.
And you mentioned nga na ang dami-daming magaganda, ang daming talented and all. Sino yung tingin mo parang life peg mo?
Life.
Then sa career path, or sinong career path yung gusto mo sundan, or...
Si Christine Hermosa.
Dahil kamukha mo daw siya sa...
Hindi naman, kasi nanonood ako ng yung Cinema One. Lagi ko siya napapanood doon. And Claudine Barreto. Kasi magaling nila talaga.
Ano bang mga, speaking of love, dahil love ang pinaka-team ng Relax, no? Kayo ba, ano bang relationship status nyo ngayon? Single, or dating?
We're friends.
But I mean, are you seeing anyone else? I mean, kayo, basically. Dating? Bakit? Very ano naman sila? Relax!
Huwag masyado, tita Pig. Relax!
Pero ano yun, by choice? Pero I'm sure may mga crush-crush kayo, ganyan.
Hindi naman mawawala ng crush.
Pero naranasan niyo na ba yung similar scenario na may love triangle, na yung crush mo, may crush na iba, tapos yung may crush na yung hindi mo gusto, yung mga ganong level? How about you?
Love triangle. I can't think of any, pero siguro po dati, meron pong situation na nangyari din.
So, ano ginawa nyo pag gano'n? Paano nyo hinahandle yun? Paano kayo
Pero sa akin, wala. Okay. Kasi hindi naman kailangan talaga seryoso.
So, hindi pa rin nyo na-feel yung mga talagang parang todong heartbreak, walang gano'n? Bakit? Kaya?
Bakit?
Iba yung focus, I mean.
Pero napag-alaman namin na ang crush mo ay siya.
And we can heal!
Yeah, super.
Until now, talagang
Loyal kasi ako.
Loya ako!
How about you, Inigo? Who's your showbiz crush?
And Curtis.
Oh,
Ann Curtis. Eh, how about yung mga ka-age ninyo? Kasi taken na si Ann. Paano yan? Meron ka bang mga ibang crush?
Jasmine Curtis.
Ba't ka pa nga naman lalayo eh, di ba?
Sa susunod na generation naman.
So, na-hurt ka ba? Kasi si Liza ka-partner niya yun.
Na-hurt? Hindi rin. Hindi naman. Kasi,
Chika lang.
chika lang. Hindi naman.
Ayan. Chika and Liza.
Liza.
Si ano, so hindi naman.
Hindi naman.
Pero kasi diba, Inigo, you grew up in the States.
Opo.
Pero ngayon ba, kung maliligaw ka, ano yung magiging style mo? Will it be modern or traditional pa din na Filipino style na panliligaw?
Mas gusto ko po yung the way I think of it, mas gusto ko po yung traditional. Pero kasi sa States, super parang masyado silang, I wouldn't say wild, pero masyado silang mabilis. Like, they start at like really young age, but this parang gusto nilang isa boyfriend-girlfriend na kayo agad the next day, even if you guys don't know each other. Pero I think the Filipino way is like, it's more sincere. And I think that's the right way. That's the right way it should be. That's the way it should be.
So naniniwala kayo mga kailangan kilalanin ng magulang,
Opo.
bumisita sa bahay,
Yes.
ganyan.
Sulatan, haranahin.
Yes. Ikaw, Sophia, kung anong mga qualities siguro ng isang guy yung tingin mo finally makakapagpa-fall sa'yo?
Ano ba yung naked?
Ay! Sige,
Hindi,
Super pogi.
siguro yung honest. Kasi wala naman masyadong honest.
Wala na daw masyadong honest na voice ngayon.
Ay, may pinagdaganyan ba yan?
Hindi naman. Yung family-oriented. Siyempre, doon naman ito-start eh. At saka, ano pa ba? Mabait, ganyan. Lahat mo siguro gusto mabait. Pero yung mabuti. Yun, mabuti.
Si Inigo, ano kaya yung mga qualities ng girls ang tingin mo magugustuhan?
Like her, she said family-oriented, simple, someone outgoing, fun, someone that I can relate with. Yun po.
Yun naman, common denominator.
Yeah.
You think you're open to having a relationship with someone from showbiz?
If I'm open, I mean, if it's
Or you're
If
okay
it's-
with it? You think it's something that you
if
like
it's
for yourself?
the right time, right person. If it, you can't control it.
Mhm.
It's gonna come at its own time.
Okay. So speaking of mga legal style, no? Titignan natin kung papasa ba si Inigo sa
Panghaharana niya.
Para kay Sophia.
Sa pagbabalik ng Relax, it's just pep talk!